Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy. Today, we're tackling a topic surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Is it possible to gain muscle and lose fat simultaneously? The answer is yes, and I'm here to show you how with 5 straightforward steps to successful body recomposition. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, these tips will guide you towards achieving both muscle growth and fat loss effectively. Stay tuned until the end to learn how to transform your body the smart way. Let's get started. Understanding body recomposition. Body recomposition involves the dual process of gaining muscle while losing fat, a concept that many find challenging but is indeed achievable under the right conditions. This requires a delicate balance between diet, exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. To build muscle, your body needs to synthesize more protein to repair and grow muscle fibers after training. Conversely, losing fat requires a calorie deficit, where you burn more calories than you consume, but without sacrificing muscle mass. Striking this balance is key to body recomposition. 5 steps to effective body recomposition. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Start by replacing trans fats found in processed foods with healthy fats rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These good fats, found in fatty fish like salmon, chia seeds, flax seeds, nuts, and certain oils, help improve heart health, facilitate fat loss, and support muscle growth. Increase protein intake. Protein is crucial for muscle building. Include high-quality protein sources like chicken breast, fish, eggs, cottage cheese, tofu, and legumes in your diet. A high-protein diet keeps you fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options and helping maintain a caloric deficit for fat loss. Gradually reduce caloric intake. Instead of drastically cutting calories, reduce your intake gradually, about 200–250 calories per day. This prevents your body from resorting to muscle breakdown for energy, thus preserving muscle mass while you lose fat. Ensure adequate vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is vital for muscle function and bone health. A deficiency can hinder muscle growth and recovery. If you're not getting enough sunlight, consider incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your diet or discuss supplementation with a healthcare provider. Engage in strength training. Strength training is essential for both muscle gain and fat loss. Focus on multi-joint exercises like squats, bench presses, and deadlifts that recruit multiple muscle groups, maximizing calorie burn and muscle building. Consult a fitness trainer to tailor a workout plan that fits your specific needs. Achieving muscle gain and fat loss simultaneously isn't just a dream, it's an attainable goal with the right approach. By following these 5 key steps, you can effectively transform your body through body recomposition. Remember, consistency in your diet and exercise routine, along with proper supplementation and lifestyle changes, are crucial for success. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos that help you build your best body. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and leave your questions or success stories in the comments below. Check out our other videos for more tips and strategies to enhance your fitness journey. Let's build that anatomy together.